What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Will coming at you with another video. So as you saw in that little intro, we're going to be trying out the Chemical Guys spray-on leather cleaner and conditioner today. Before we do that though, this is a dirty car. So neighbors are over there doing some roof work, and it's kind of awkward talking to the camera. They're probably like, what's this guy doing? Get you a good look at how bad the pollen's gotten. Wash me. Look at that, the hose is busted. Guess a trip to Home Depot or Lowe's is in my future. Alright guys, washed the exterior of the car, and that literally might have been the most pointless car wash ever. I mean, I gave it a good wash, good wax. The car's already covered in pollen again. It's literally been 20 minutes, maybe. And the pollen's already on the roof, everything. At least I did get a wax on before the pollen was settling, so there is that. I guess that's the silver lining. Anyway, let's get to this interior cleaning. The first thing you're going to want to do is get all your supplies like I showed you in that little intro. You're going to get your, in this case, Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner, or your product of choice, whatever you use. This is just, we're going to testing this out today. I use Adam's interior detailer. Really, I only use it for the plastic trim and wood trim in the car, because everything else just spots up on it and leaves like kind of water spot looking things. Boy, that sun is bright. I wish you'd go back behind the clouds. My wish was granted. Some applicator pads, and this is a Chemical Guys boar's head, and the sun's back. Brush, I don't have any reason to think they make a better boar's head brush than anybody else. I actually just bought it because it was in the suggested items list and I didn't have one. That's Amazon's marketing working on me. Anyway, let's cue the before shots. Done with all the cleaning. Go ahead and cue the after shots right now. So this video might have seemed like a lot of Chemical Guys promotion, and they probably enjoyed the heck out of getting a bunch of free promotion because I'm not sponsored. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I did like. I did like the spray. It was convenient, it was easy, I only had to do one pass. It doesn't smell as strong as the other products, and I don't like that about it. But you know, what you gain in ease, you sacrifice somewhere else. So I can live with it. It's definitely nice because I didn't really have a lot of time today. And if you noticed in those after shots, no, I didn't vacuum the car out. I can do that later on or something. So the seats feel good. They feel nice. They feel pretty much the same as they do after a regular clean. So I'm really excited to test out the cleaner conditioner that I usually use. I already know that I like them. And then try out that serum at the end of it, the protectant or whatever that it is. But yeah, oh yeah, what I didn't like now about the kit, you know, I don't really like these kind of applicator pads. They kind of have they popped out of my hand like twice. I just started having to grab them like that when I'm using them. Like, you know, the little cheap round ones from AutoZone or on Amazon, they're much better in my opinion. Yeah, they get flat and thin and don't work as well pretty quickly, but they're cheap as dirt. So, you know, once again, you know, trade-offs, right? Also, I did not like the boar's hair brush. I would not recommend buying this. I spent like $7 on this, I think, $8, I don't remember, and it's going back because the hair started falling out immediately when I started using it. Like, it didn't take any time at all. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, leave a comment below, tell me what kind of cleaning supplies you prefer on your car. Do you use Chemical Guys? Do you use a different brand? I'd love to know, because I'm just really in search of a good cleaning product, and right now I found one that I like. Yeah, I will see you in the next one guys. Thank you for watching.